So hello, hi, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sneha and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do an entire different kind of makeup, and I am quite excited for this because I am going to use this Nicka eyeshadow palette, which is totally that ocean kind of blue, which I am totally in love with. I wanted this palette from a very long time and I just got my hands into it, and it is not very expensive, guys. It's only for rupees 6.99 and I got it from Amazon in rupees 490 something. So I just wanted to create this kind of look, like this shades ka look. I'm super excited. I don't know how am I going to do this, but I'm going to turn my eye something into this. So pehle we are going to do our skincare, and as you guys can see, I have a little guest over here. So this was because past 1 week I have been eating outside, eating too much of spicy food. So iski wajah se I have this mister popping out there. So today what am I going to do is that I'm going to use a different kind of technique or a different kind of skincare. So today I'm going to use this Moly ka sheet mask, which is in the variant of I'm Lemon. So I'll be using this. And for girls who don't want to carry too much of skincare, or if you are in a hurry and you don't have so much of time to do a proper skincare routine, you can just apply this, or you can just put on your sheet mask for 5 to 10 minutes and you are ready for your makeup. This does everything. And for me, whenever I have to travel and when I don't have much space to carry all my skincare products, I just carry a few of this sheet mask, which does the work absolutely. So today I'm going to use this as my skincare because as you can see, I am breaking out and I need a proper skincare. So I'll just take out this sheet mask and I'll just apply it or put it on my face and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now it's about 15 minutes that I have put on my sheet mask. Now I'll just remove it. And you can see how well nourished my skin looks now. And I'll just rub off the excess serum on my face and I'll just dab it inside my face so that it just gets inside my skin. So here I'm done with my skincare. Now I'll move towards the main part, the makeup part. Now everything remains the same, as I keep telling you that my entire makeup remains the same. The only thing I do differently is the eyes. So the same thing, I'll be using my primer first. It's the Wet n Wild Photofocus face primer. I've been using this primer lately a lot and I've been loving it also. So I'll just take a proper amount of my primer on my hand and just apply it on my T-zone so that my makeup does not crease and all the texture and all the pores just get smaller and the texture becomes even. So that's how I use my primer on my T-zone. Because when you don't apply your primer and you just apply your makeup and you go out and you are a person with more pores or more texture on your face, it just attracts more of attention because your makeup just tends to settle down on your texture or get into your pores, which is just so disgusting. Especially for me, I get quite disappointed, so I apply a proper amount of primer all over my face, especially on my T-zone, because that's the area where I get a lot of sweat or my makeup creases out. So that's where I do that. Now I'll move towards my foundation, and for my foundation I will be using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. So now I don't use a lot of foundation on my face because I don't know, I don't like it. So I just take one pump of my foundation and just apply it all over my face. So today what I'm thinking of doing is that first I'll put foundation, then I'm thinking of doing my eyes, then I'll put on the concealer and the remaining part, because you know, I'm using this eyeshadow palette for the very first time and I'm quite scared कि इसमें fallout ना हो जाए and it does not just ruin my makeup. So yeah, precaution is better than the cure. So इससे अच्छा I'll just apply my eyeshadow first. Today I'll do my eyeshadow and then I'll go for the concealer so that it settles down. Okay, so this is my face. Now I will use eye primer because I'm doing my eyes first. So for that I have to use eye primer so that the color pops out. So this is the eye primer I'll use, and it's from Miss Claire, the one I used previously. I have very little and less products, guys, so I tend to use the same old thing, but yeah, these products work for me, so I just love these products. Now let's move towards this eyeshadow palette. Now there are all different shades of blue over here, so I'll just take few and I'll experiment because I'm also not quite sure about this eyeshadow palette. I'm also using it for the very first time, so let's see what I get out of this. First I'm taking this eyeshadow color, like this shade, and mostly all the shades are very shimmery out here. Like this one is shimmery, and this one is shimmery, this one is shimmery, and this are matte. But yeah, I'll go with this shimmery shade for my outer corner of my eyes. So I'll just pat the color on my eyelid and I'll just try to smudge it off or try to blend. And now I'll just take this lighter shade of blue and just put it over my crease. Like now I'll just blend the two colors. Now I'll just crease my eyes, and for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty eye concealer. I have been loving this concealer. It's lighter to my shades. So now for the inner eye corner, I have this loose pigment eyeshadow, and it's from TS Cosmetics in the shade Starfire. So I'll just use this in my inner corner. Before I apply this TS Cosmetics ka glitter, I just need to pack a little more of color on my cut crease because this loose pigment does not have a color basically. So I just took this color, this light shade of blue, and I'm just patting it over my cut crease. So basically cut crease was a big failure because yeah, it didn't work. Now I'll just take a brush and try to blend the color which I just applied with the color which is already over there. And now I'll take this TS Cosmetics ka glitter or loose pigment eyeshadow and I'll just apply in my inner corners. I don't know about this look right now, but I'll finish off my another half and we'll be right back. So here is the entire look, and I don't know, I'm not quite sure about this look right now, but yes, we will finish it off and we'll see how it turns into. Now before anything, I'll just apply concealer on my under eyes, like to conceal and to give a good shape to this. So I'll just apply in my inner corners, under eyes, and over here, giving a snatched look. Same over here. I want to hide this pimple. Now I'll just use this Swiss Beauty concealer to highlight my high points, like the under eye. I just want to highlight it or brighten it up, and over here and on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. So now once that is done, I'll be using this K Beauty ka loose powder which is in the variant banana. I just love this powder nowadays. Like I have been loving it and I have been using it so regularly. So I'll just pat it all over my under eyes to set my concealer. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. it's a very beautiful eyebrow pencil, and I have been using it for months, and I am in love with this eyebrow pencil, and like this is my go-to product. Using this Nykaa contour palette. It has a contour and also a highlighter with it, so I'll just use this product, this contour, to just give a kind of contour look to my face. Now once my contouring is done, I'll just remove the excess powder under my eyes. So I'll apply a little more of blush on my face to bring that color on my face. So I'll be using this Faces Canada Ka Glam On blush. So I'll just take it, dab off the excess and smile and just apply it on. So since all the powder products are done, I'll be now spraying this makeup fixer all over my face, because I just want the entire makeup to melt into my skin. So that was it. Now I'll just finish off my eyes. For that, I'll be taking Sugar Cosmetics Ka shadow crayon. It's their Eyes and Shine shadow crayon in the shade Turquoise Trance. So I'll just apply this on my lower lash line. Now I'll just finish it off with the last touch, that is mascara, and for that I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Ka Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty, and Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. So I'll just be applying these two mascaras on my eyes today. For highlighter, I am again using the Nykaa highlighter. The same Nykaa palette from which I contoured, and I'll just highlight the high ends or high points of my face. And this highlighter is such a beautiful highlighter, as you can see. So now for the lipstick, I'll use this lip liner, which is in the shade Pillow Fight from Nykaa Lips Don't Lie range. And for the lipstick, I'll use this mini lipstick from Nykaa itself, and it's in the shade Taupe Thrill. So I'll just first lip line my lips. Today guys, and this is the entire look and how it turned out. To be honest with you guys, first I didn't think it will turn out this way, but now I'm super satisfied with this entire look, and this little tiara with the earrings here and the neck piece, it just comes together. And this cute t-shirt which I got from Urbanic, you will be seeing this in my haul, my Urbanic and H&M haul. So yeah, this was the entire look guys. I am totally in love with it. Like, I like this look. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit on that like button, and also comment down below which is the different eyeshadow look you want me to create, and also share this video to as many people as you can, because you know that would mean a lot to me. And also do not forget to hit on that subscribe button, and also ring that icon, that notification bell, so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I am also super active on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. So I'll see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love. Mwah.